Start Debian, enter sudo su, update packages, open nodejs.org, navigate to downloads, then click on install package manager, Debian and Ubuntu. Now here scroll down to the section using Debian as root, copy. As you can see, we are using curl or curl. Debian doesn't have it, so we need to install it. Now install nodejs. Type in node-v in npm-v. If you enable core pack, you get the access to pnpm, and the latest version is 7.27, so it's correctly installed. Now exit, create working folders, and now we can install Git. Checking the Git version, everything works.